Mwanangu TV.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Keep them clean and bright. Keep them clean and bright. Achenese, agaya kajika. Achenese, agaya kajika. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Scrub, scrub up high. Scrub, scrub down low. Quisha, quisha kumusoro. Quisha, quisha pasi futi. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Morning and night always brush your teeth well. Mangwana ni usiku pese. Quisha meno. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Quisha, quisha, quisha meno.
Oh yeah, let's learn the Shona ABCs. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABC. A is for my mother. B is for buku, book. C is for chingwa, bread. D is for ziza, learn. E is for enda, go. F is for famba, walk. Let's learn the Shona ABCs. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABCs. G is for gonzo, rat. H is for huku, hen. I is for imba, house. J is for juicy, jersey. K is for kamba, tortoise. But wait, there's no L in the Shona alphabet. Did you know that? Try and think of Shona words beginning with L. You won't find any. M is for muti, tree. N is for nuchi, bee. O is for onde, fig. P is for porto, pot. Let's learn the Shona ABC. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs. But wait, there's no Q in the Shona alphabet. Did you know that? Try and think of Shona words beginning with Q. You won't find any. R is for Rima, farming. S is for Shamwai, friend. T is for Tafura, table. U is for Uswa, grass. V is for Viri, wheel. W is for Onbera, clap. But wait, there's no X in the Shona alphabet. Try and think of Shona words beginning with X. You won't find any. Y is for Yangu, mine. Z is for Z, so I. Let's learn the Shona ABC. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABC. Let's learn the Shona ABC. Shona ABC, Shona ABCs, Shona ABCs.
Bye, my friend. Bye, my good, good friend. Bye, Shamwari yangu. Ndakunorara. 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 Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Tinotamba Mangwana. Tinotamba Mangwana. Tinotamba Mangwana. Gwana. Tinotamba Mangwana. Gwana. Bye, my friend. Bye, my good, good friend. Bye, Shamwari yangu. Ndakunorara. Father date I conduct you to you, to you. Kwa uri, kwa uri. Happy birthday to you. Father date I kanaka kwa uri.
Ashembereke kudo kane bana basere. Kaifamba kachikwira mugomo. Kaifamba mangwanani. Kachitwaga sepujga. Kakokuta unozwa koti yui. Yui kwenyu kwenyu. Yui, yui kwenyu kwenyu. Yui kachikwira mugomo. Kaifamba mangwanani. Kachitwaga sepujga.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Father ngu baba, mother umama, brother mne wetu, sister daddy wetu, uncle ngu malume, auntie ngu baba kazi, grandfather bamkulu, grandmother ngu gogo. Father ngu baba, mother umama, brother mne wetu, sister daddy wetu, uncle ngu malume, auntie ngu baba kazi, grandfather bamkulu, grandmother ngu gogo. Brother pembeji, brother
Nonzani, unonzani. Do you have a Shona name? Is it Rumbi? Rumbi, Rumbi. Is it Kudzi? Kudzi. Or is it Fuzzy? Fuzzy. Farai, Shorai. Or is it Torai? Torai. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Hey Shamwari, let's learn how to say parts of the body in Shona. Are you ready? Here we go. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Head is musoro, it's musoro. Hair is vudzi, it is vudzi. Face is kumeso, it's kumeso. Eyes is mazizo, it's mazizo. Ears in zeve, it's yon zeve. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Forehead is huma, it's your huma. Nose is mino, it's your mino. Mouth is muromo, it's muromo. Tongue is rurimi, it's rurimi. Teeth is mazino, that's mazino. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Shoulders mapendekete, pendekete. Chest is chifuva, it's chifuva. Legs is makumbo, it's makumbo. Hands is maoko, that's maoko. Fingers is rigumwe, it's rigumwe. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri. Parts of the body, nyengo zemuviri, zemuviri.
Johnny, Johnny,
Baba,
uri kujya sugar,
kwete baba,
uri kunyapa here,
aiwa baba.
vura muromo.
Ha ha ha.
Johnny, Johnny,
Baba,
uri kujya sugar,
kwete baba,
uri kunyapa here,
aiwa baba.
vura muromo.
Ha ha ha.
Zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa, zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa. Zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa, zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa. Iwe zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa, zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa. Ona zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa, zvamutsana mutsana turonembwa. Zamutsana mutsana turonembwa.
Hey friends, are you ready to learn the months of the year in Shona? Mweti yegore! Okay, here we go! January is Tira. February is Kukati. March is Kurume. April is Kubumbi. Let's learn Tizi Bemwezi from Dira to Shita, Chirikupara. Clap your hands, Kambane Manzi, Mwezi Egore, Ziza Uchipara. May is Chivavu, June is Chikumi, July is Chikunguru, August is Nyamabubu. Let's learn Tizi Bemwezi from Dira to Shita, Chirikupara. Clap your hands, Kambane Manzi, Mwezi Egore, Ziza Uchipara. September is Gunyana. October is Gumiguru. November is Mbudi. December is Jita. Let's learn Tizi Bemwezi from Dira to Jita, Chirikupara. Clap your hands, Fambane Manzi, Mwezi Egore, Ziza Uchipara. Yeah, yeah. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na.
One is Motsi, two is Piri, three is Tattoo, four is China. Now let's count all the way to 10. In Shona and in English, sing it once again. Clap and dance, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go to 10. 5 is Shanu. 6 is Tanatu. 7 is Nomwe. 8 is Sere. Let's count all the way to 10. In Shona and in English, sing it once again. Clap and dance, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go to 10. Nine is Fumbamwe. 10 is Gumi. Let's count all the way to 10. In Shona and in English, sing it once again. Clap and dance, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go to 10.
Moroi, Salibonani. Hello, hello, come sing with me. From Harare to Bulawayo. We play, we sing, we shout hooray. Shona and Debele, come and see. Talking together, just you and me. Clap your hands and touch your toes. Spin around and strike a pose. From Harare to Bulawayo, go. We're friends forever, let's say hello. Hi there, my name is Tino. I love to dance and play marimba. I eat sada with my stew. And I say, Moroi, how are you? Kezamaoko. Kezamaoko. Mwanangu keza. Kezamaoko. Mwanangu keza. Kezamaoko. Wapeta tamba. Kezamaoko. Isatira tora chikafu. Kezamaoko.
Rumba muduri, cheza muduri, dudum duri, dudum duri, dudum duri.
Lion is a shumba, shumba. Elephant is a zoo, zoo. Hyena is a bere, bere. Leopard is a mbada, mbada. Cheetah is indingwe, ndingwe. Giraffe is a twiza, twiza. Crocodile ngwena, ngwena. Snake is a nyoka, nyoka.
Hi, Shamwari. How are you today? Today, Biyako.
Okay, so I've got a question for you.
Yeah? How do you say mother in Shona? Oh, that's easy. My mother is a mai.
Amai,
My father is Baba. Baba. My brother is Budi.
Budi.
My sister is Sisi.
I like that.
That's my family. My family. My family, family, family. That's my family. My family. My family, family, family. My grandfather is Sekuru. Sekuru. My grandmother is Ambuya. Ambuya. My auntie is Tete. Tete. My uncle is also Sekuru.
That's so cool.
That's my family. My family. My family, family, family. That's my family. My family. My family, family, family. Baby is Mwana. Boy is Mukomana. Girl is Musikana. Man is Murume. Woman is Mukazi. And guess what? Muri is family. My family. My family. My family, family, family. That's my family. My family. My family, family, family. Hey friend, how are you feeling today?
with our afro hair. Love your hair, every twist and curl. You're a magic afro sparkling girl.
One, moti, 2, 2, piri, 3, 3, tatu, 4, 4, ina, 5, 5, shanu, 6, 6, tanatu, 7, 7, nongwe, 8, 8, sere, 9, 9, fumbahu, 10, 10, gumi. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Do you have a Shona name? Is it Tsitsi, Tsitsi, Tsitsi? Netsi, Netsi, Netsi? Nyari, Nyari, Nyari? Mufaro, Faro, Faro? Tinashe, Ashe, Ashe? Tanaka, Naka, Naka? Or is it Tanatswa? Unonza name? Unonza name? Unonza name?
Welcome to Shona with Shimmy. Today we are going to sing and learn Shona. Are you guys ready? Here we go.
Kana uchifara uchiziva wombera. Kana uchifara uchiziva wombera. Kana uchifara uchiziva uchizaka titiwoni. Kana uchifara uchiziva wombera. Kana uchifara uchiziva nyemwerera. Kana uchifara uchiziva nyemwerera. Kana uchifara uchiziva uchizaka titiwoni. Kana uchifara uchiziva nyemwerera. Kana uchifara uchiziva tenderera. Kana uchifara uchiziva tenderera. Kana uchifara uchiziva uchizaka titiwoni. Kana uchifara uchiziva tenderera. Well done!
Hi, my little Shamwaris. I have a fun song for you today. It's called Amina Kadeya. You ready? Here we go.
Amina, Amina Kadeya, Simoreya, Amina Wandisha Misa, P.O. Box, Marandela, Marandela, Gumpepe, 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 Jujexe. Amina, Amina Kadeya, Simoreya, Amina Wandisha Misa, P.O. Box, Marandela, Marandela, Gumpepe, 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 Jujexe.
Shiria kanaka unoende pi uya uya titambe ndiri kuenda kumakore kuti ndifanane nemakore kuti ndifanane nemakore
Shiri yaganaka unoende pi
uya uya titambe
ndiri kuenda kumakore
kuti ndifanane nemakore kuti ndifanane nemakore.
What is your totem? Mutupo wako ndiani. What is your totem? Mutupo wako ndiani. Is it Ngwena? Gwena. Deva? Deva. Gara? Gara. Dara? Kara. Kamba? Kamba. Shumba? Shumba. Humba? Humba. What is your totem? Mutupo wako ndiani. What is your totem? Mutupo wako ndiani. Is it Soko? Soko. Shato? Shato. Gumbo? Gumbo. Tembo? totem? Mutupo wako njiani. Is it Pepe, Pepe, Hove, Hove, Zo, Zo, Vu, Vu, Mofu, Mofu, Busy, Busy, Shiri, Nyati, Why, Why? What is your totem? Mutupo wako njiani. What is your totem? Mutupo wako njiani.
Mwanangu, the night is here. Come, baby, sweet dreams, my little star. Hush now, sleep now, don't you fear. Mama Baripa, no, she's always near. Drift to gentle sleep, Mwanangu. I will always watch over you. Chirara Mwanangu, the night is here. Urara Jakana, come, baby. I will always watch over you. Chirara, my little star.
I wanna be a doctor.
Wow. Do you know how to say that in Shona?
Chiremba. Haha, yes, that's right.
Doctor is Chiremba. Singer is Muimbi. Farmer is Murimi. Builder is Muvaki. Chef is Mubiki. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona. Police is Mupurisa.
Lawyer is Gweta.
Teacher is Mudzadisi.
Carpenter is Muvezi.
Storekeeper is Mutengesi. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona. Nurse is Mukoti.
Driver is Muchka Iri.
Soldier is Musoya.
Author is Munyoriwe Mabuku.
Soccer player is Mutambiwe Nyavu. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Mazita e Mabasa. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona. Muchi Shona.
You can be anything you wanted to be. Remember that?
Mangwana ni masikati manero. Have a good day to you. Morning, afternoon, evening, over na zuwa rakanaka. Good morning, mamu kase. Tamu kakana, mamu kawo. Mangwana ni kanaka. Good afternoon, maswera say. Taswera kana, maswera mangwana ni masika timaneru. Have a good day to you, morning, afternoon, evening, mover na zubara kanaka. Good day to you. Mangwana ni masika timaneru. Have a good day to you, morning, afternoon, evening, mover na zubara kanaka. Good day to you.
Mwanangu TV. Hi guys! Welcome back to Mwanangu TV. Today, we are going to continue learning how to express ourselves in Shona. Are you ready? Here we go!
I'm laughing, isn't it kuseka? I'm crying, isn't it kuchema? I'm thinking, isn't it kufunga? I'm sleepy, isn't it kunzwa hope? I'm not sure it's handy zivi. Let's learn to say how we're feeling. Let's learn it today. We will learn to say how we're feeling in Shona today. Sekora McDonald vanne purasi E-I-E-I-O. Papurasi pavo vanne mombe E-I-E-I-O. Zinoti mumu pano zoti mumu apo pano mumu apo momo queste mumu. Sekora McDonald vanne purasi E-I-E-I-O. Papurasi pavo panne dada E-I-E-I-O. Rinoti quack quack pano roti quack quack apo pano quack quack apo quack quack queste quack quack. Sekuru McDonald vanne purasi E-I-E-I-O. Papurasi
yoti woof woof apple pano woof woof apple woof woof queste woof woof sekuru McDonald's vanne purasi E-I-E-I-O paparazzi pavo pane huai E-I-E-I-O dinoti baba pano zoti baba apple pano baba apple baba queste baba sekuru McDonald's vanne purasi E-I-E-I-O paparazzi pavo vanne huku E-I-E-I-O dinoti quack quack pano zoti quack quack apple pano quack quack apple quack quack queste quack quack. Use your words, Mwanangu. Expressing feelings with words instead of tantrums or hitting. Kinda want someone and you don't know what to do. When your temper feels like rising, usakangan way. Take a breath, take your time, let the feelings pass on through. And say the words inside your heart, the words that live in you. Use your words, Mwanangu. Say how you feel, be who you are. You don't need to stomp or shout, there's a better way to let it out. Sing da ka samwa, say da ka suwa, say handi zivi. Use your words, Mwanangu. The world is listening to you. If your friend plays rough or loud or takes your toy and runs, you can stop and stand your ground. You don't have to come undone. You've got courage in your chest. You've got kindness in your heart. You've got words that shine like stars, lighting up the land. Use your words, Mwanangu. Say how you feel, be who you are. You don't need to stomp or shout, there's a better way to let it out. Say da ka samwa, say da ka suwa, say handi zivi. Use your words, Mwanangu. The world is listening to you. Muvuro chipiri chitatu china chishano mugovera tu sondo. Muvuro we go to school, chipiri we follow the rules, chitatu we draw and write, china we shine so bright, chishano it's almost the end, mugovera time with friends, sondo we rest and pray, then we start on another day. One by one let's sing and play, 7 days in every weekend. Muvuro chipiri chitatu china chishano mugovera tu sondo. Sondo. Yeah, we did it.
Vazukuru munofara here?
Sekuru say, be kind every day. Sekuru say, help your parents after long days. Sekuru say, tell the truth and stand tall. Sekuru say, be proud of who you are. We always learn when Sekuru's around. Wise words from wisest mind. Listen and learn, don't delay. When Sekuru speaks, we say ehoi. We always learn when Sekuru's around. Wise words from wisest mind. Listen and learn, don't delay. When Sekuru speaks, we say ehoi. Sekuru say, if someone falls, lend a hand. Sekuru say, it's in our nature, it's how we stand. Sekuru say, even ants work side by side. Sekuru say, trees grow strong with roots inside. We always learn when Sekuru's around. Wise words from wisest mind. Listen and learn, don't delay. When Sekuru speaks, we say ehoi. We always learn when Sekuru's around. Wise words from wisest mind. Listen and learn, don't delay. When Sekuru speaks, we say ehoi. Life is a journey. Vazukuru vangu, walk with love, walk with laughter, and always listen to your elders. Life is a journey. Vazukuru vangu, walk with love, walk with laughter, and always listen to your elders.
Bata mwana tika banana. Tika banana. Bata mwana tika banana. Tika banana. Bata mwana tika banana. Tika banana. Bata mwana tika banana. Tika banana.
Baba wainyema uneshinda here hongu hongu masaga matatu rimwendera mambo rimwendera mai rimwendere chikoma na chinogara apo.
Baba wainyema uneshinda here
hongu hongu
masaga matatu
rimwendera mambo rimwendera mai rimwendere chikoma na chinogara apo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Moti, little clap, Piri, little taps, Tatu, big jumps, Ina, quick claps, Shanu, wiggle, Stana, to say yay, Nom, Wesere, spin and play. Moti, Tatu, count with me, Ina, Shanu, Tanatu, happy kicks, Nom, Wesere, Fumba, Mwegumi, let's count again. Fumba, Mwe, big giggles. Gumi, say hooray. Hooray. Counting makes us smart today. Count it slow, count it fast. Counting fun that's always last. Hey! Mosi, piri, tatu. Count with me. Ina, shanu, tanatu. Happy kicks, no way, sere. Fumba, mwe, gumi. Let's count again.
Hello, Vazukuru vangu. Welcome to Ngano na Gogo Ambuya on Mwanangu TV. How are you today? Well, I have a little story for you. It's a little ngano about Tsuro na Gudo. They're old Zimbabwean stories we used to call Tsuro na Gudo, and I will be telling you these stories as you get ready for bedtime. I will be mixing a little bit of English with a little bit of Shona. Are you guys ready for Ngano na Gogo Ambuya? Okay, get settled in now. Here we go. It was a hot day in the savannah, and Itsuro na Gudo were sitting under a tree. Vanga vakagada pasipe muti. Gudo stretches and says, "You know, Tsuro, I am the fastest animal in the whole jungle." Tsuro got up and looked at him. "You? Iwewe? Don't make me laugh, Gudo. I could outrun you on one leg." Gudo's pride was stung. "Oh, yeah? Prove it. Let's race tomorrow morning and we'll see who's really fast." "Fine," said Tsuro. "But to make it interesting, let's add some hurdles. Watermelons. We'll leap over them as we run." Gudo scratched his head. Akakwenya musoro. "Hurdles, huh? No problem. I'll win no matter what." The next day, a crowd of animals gathered to watch the race. Parrot acted as the announcer. "Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Great Watermelon Race." Gudo flexed his muscles for the crowd. "I hope you brought your camera, Parrot. This is history in the making. Tsuro rolled his eyes. Let's just start the race already. Parrot raised a feather. On your marks. Get set. Go! Tsuro darted off like a streak of lightning, while Gudo charged forward with a thundering roar. Ahead of them, the watermelon heddles gleamed in the sun. Tsuro aka jamba over the first melon. Easiest pie, he called over his shoulder. Gudo tried to copy him, but miscalculated. Aka dona, he tripped, sending the melon rolling downhill. Whoops! Gudo muttered, scrambling to his feet. And Tsuro laughed. As they approached the second melon, Tsuro's cleverness kicked in. He whispered to himself, "Time for a little fun." Tsuro nudged the watermelon so it set right in Gudo's path. Gudo was determined not to lose. Angasinda dikuruza Gudo. At the third heddle, he decided to cheat a little. He grabbed a vine, swam over the watermelon, and landed ahead of Tsuro. "See you at the finish line," he shouted. But Tsuro wasn't fazed. "Two can play that game." He spotted another vine, grabbed it, and swung ahead of Gudo. The crowd cheered wildly. The final stretch was neck and neck. Both Tsuro and Gudo reached the last watermelon at the same time. Tsuro stopped to catch his breath. "Well, Gudo, I have to admit, you are not as slow as you look." Gudo aka sekerera. He smiled. "And I have to tell you, Tsuro, you are not as clever as you think." Tsuro laughed. "Okay, Gudo, let's settle this the right way." He pointed at the watermelon. "Whoever can crack this open first, they win." They both pounced on the watermelon, but instead of breaking it, they tripped and tumbled into a heap. The crowd roared with laughter as the watermelon finally burst, showering them in sticky, sweet watermelon juice. As they sat in the mess, Tsuro sighed. "You know, Gudo, maybe we're both winners. After all, we got the best prize of it all." Gudo raised an eyebrow. "And what is that?" Tsuro smiled, holding up a handful of juicy watermelon. "This!" Gudo laughed, and they shared the melon with the crowd, turning their rivalry into a feast. "Vasukuru, I want you to know kuti competition can be fun, but sharing the victory is even sweeter." Dipo panopereranga no. That's where the story ends. For more ngano na gogo ambuya, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Gano. Have a good night.
It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, it's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai. Welcome to Vusi and Vimbai's Corner.
Hey superstars, Moroi, Salibonani.
Welcome, welcome to Vusi and Vimbai's Corner.
I'm Vusi from Gwabulawayo, the city of kings, Gontutu.
And I'm Vimbai, born and raised in the Sunshine City. If you know, you know.
Together, we're here to test how well you know our beautiful Zimbabwe. So, get ready to shout out those answers.
Special shout out to Savannah. Thank you for the brilliant idea.
Question number 1. What is the capital city of Zimbabwe? Harare. That's right, the beautiful Sunshine City.
What is Zimbabwe's national flower? Flame lily. Beautiful, bright, and orange, just like the Zimbabwean spirit.
Wonderful. Which language is one of Zimbabwe's 16 official languages? Venda. Yes, Zimbabwe has 16 official languages and Venda is one of them.
Wow. What is the name of Zimbabwe's biggest man-made lake? Lake Kariba. It's one of the largest man-made lakes in the world.
What is the name of the famous rocks featured on Zimbabwe's old banknotes? Epworth balancing rocks. They are also called Chiremba balancing rocks. That's it for today, guys. I hope you got 5 out of 5.
If you didn't, that's okay. Stay curious, stay proud, and keep shining, my fellow Zimbabweans.
See you next time for more Zimbabwe fun facts on Vusi and Vimbai's Corner.
Bye!
It's Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai, Vusi and Vimbai. It's Vusi and Vimbai,